Hey guys, I'm Desiree.
I'm Veronica.
And welcome to Double Dare Spa IGTV. Today what we're going to do is we're going to show you guys how to use the Lift Serum and the cupping set along with our skincare routine. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
All right, let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in with our Omg Filling Pad. So what this is going to do, it's going to remove any excess dirt that you have left on your skin, or maybe it's leftover makeup. So this is really going to go ahead and cleanse the skin, and it's very gentle too. It's going to smooth, retexture.
Okay.
And you can see it's a little pad like that.
So just go in circles all over your face.
I just like to take it in circles.
Feels very smooth. You can like
really,
see
really
it
nice.
has like.
Ooh. We've got all that off.
Alright, just started.
We're just getting started.
So you never really know how dirty your skin is until you really know. You know what I mean?
What is it? You know? When you know, you know.
When you know, you know.
You never know until you know. Like this actually, mine looks a little dirty. I'm embarrassed.
Right?
I'm embarrassed that you all have to see that. I'm so sorry, I apologize. But it feels really good. Super calming. And this isn't gonna make your skin feel red either. You know, sometimes when you use like a cleansing wipe, it makes your skin feels like harsh.
Yeah, so I'm very sensitive.
Yeah.
My skin is super sensitive, but I haven't really had any trouble using
The filling pad?
the filling pad, yeah.
And it's gonna hydrate your skin too. Because sometimes other like cleansing pads can have alcohol in it.
Okay, and now for the summer, we don't need hydration.
Only hydration for summertime. That's it. Okay. So that excess, go ahead and just rub it in.
Here.
Just want to make sure that it's all nice, rubbed in. My skin feels really, really smooth. I'm looking in the mirror. So if you see me looking this way, it's because we have a mirror.
Yeah.
My skin feels really, really nice.
It feels very smooth. It's like not cooling, but like sort of, like kind of cooling. You know what I mean?
Kind of, but kind of. Okay. So next we're gonna go in with our Lift Serum. So this just launched on May 1st. This is for lifting, hydrating, and tightening.
Wow, I'm excited
It's
to try
really, really
it.
good. And when you use it with the suction cup, well, the facial cup. When you use it with the facial cup, it's gonna promote that blood flow so that more collagen can be produced inside of your skin.
That's a cute little OMG.
Yeah, and they have a little tiny one. This is for eyes and lips. Okay, so what we're gonna do, you don't have to shake it, but I like to. It looks just like this. And don't be shy. So you can apply this liberally on the skin. Just apply it. Oh, it dripped. Okay. Yeah, you don't want to be shy with the serum because don't be shy with the serum. Go ahead and rub it all in. You don't want to massage it all the way in because you want your skin to be kind of wet. And this is where the suction cup comes in. So you're gonna bring it, let's bring it down just past the jawline a little bit. Today we're only gonna take it to the jawline. But, okay. I'm gonna go ahead, you're gonna grab your larger facial cup. So you always wanna remember that you wanna keep this on the larger parts of your face. You never wanna take this underneath the eye. That's why this one is specifically designed for that, okay? Okay, so get it. We're gonna start at the jawline. So you're gonna place it, squeeze, and push up. And you wanna do this all, at least for 5 minutes if you wanna see full results. Then we'll move up a little bit. And you wanna push up. And it shouldn't leave behind any marks if you use it correctly. And by that I mean, do not leave it on your face in one spot for 5 minutes. You're gonna damage your skin like that.
feels great.
Feels good, right? And
it's super soft too, like right here when you touch it.
Yeah, and the good thing is this is food grade silicone. A lot of the times facial cups aren't. They're mainly just like silicone, and so silicone's not like, that can't be good for your skin, but this one is food grade silicone, so this is really good for your skin. Okay, and then next, so you can use the little tiny eye cup just with the lip serum by itself for underneath your eyes or the lips, but I feel like maybe we could see more results too if you use your 360 eye serum. So we're gonna take this underneath the eye.
You squeeze it right here and then just...
Yep, it just pops right out. And I like to apply it like this, you know, because I like to spread it. And then you just want to always take it in outward strokes.
Make sure to never go backwards.
Yeah, you never want to go back and forth because you don't want to create wrinkles like that. Any type of rubbing underneath the eye is not good. That will create wrinkles. So now that we have that applied, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna take your little tiny cup and same method. You're gonna place it, squeeze, pull, place, pull. And I really feel like you can see, at least like the times that I've used it, I can really see the results. Like I can see it starting to lift, and I have pretty dark under eyes. Okay, and then the lip area, pull. I like to pull outward just because I have lines right here.
Feels amazing.
It was really, really good.
Really good.
So now that this is all set in, we're gonna go in with the Omg Cell Times 5 Peptide. So this is for firming, lifting, and retexturizing. So if you have texture, this is gonna be really, really good for you. Okay, so you can see it's like a gel base. See that jiggle? Love it. So go ahead, we're gonna take a spatula today, and you just wanna cup it out. You can see. And I like to put it in my hand, and then I rub and place on the skin. And I always wanna rub. I'm gonna do an outward motion, just because we're trying to firm the skin, keep it tight. Right, I'm gonna keep it tight. You never want to rub back and forth ever on your skin. No thank you, wrinkles. And the good thing about the serum is that you can bring it down to the décolleté and do the cupping. Did you know that?
Oh no, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can bring it all the way down.
Oh wow.
This is multifunctional use right here, you guys.
Amazing. Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
My skin looks so good. I feel like it looks... Well, you guys tell me. How do you guys think it looks? Be honest. Does it look bad?
Nice and shiny. I think it looks good.
It feels really good. My skin feels really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed our lifting, cupping set, and skincare routine that we did today.
Stay tuned and don't forget to come back for more.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't forget, like and leave a comment. Let us know what you guys think, or DM us directly and let us know what you guys want to see for our next IGTV skincare video.
Yes.